So when you onboard, or the business onboard services such as Microsoft's Foundry, it's a suite of AI tools, you'll realize that it offers, I think it's 1900 models. Now, each of those models is good at doing a specific thing. And the business is therefore going to have to understand what each of those models is good at doing so that they can target those capabilities to specific use cases. So it comes back to this idea that you've got a problem that needs solving, or a solution that's looking for a problem to solve. You've got the use case, and you have to understand what models will help solve it, or you understand what solution these models provide and look for the problem that can be solved. Understanding the models, configuring them to create agents, seeing how those agents work in real life. You'll need to do that in a sandbox environment. So whichever platform you use, it will come with some kind of playground where you can do all of that playing around. It's worth noting that you'll be using many models. So you'll use a model to configure an agent to complete a task, another model to configure another agent to complete another task, and then you will orchestrate those agents. So one task is completed, which will trigger the next task or the next agent, and so on until the process or workflow is completed. And that's one of the reasons why you have so many models. Microsoft AI's Foundry, for example, at the moment has, I think, 1900 or so models. It's worth remembering that models are updated and retired. Now, this relates to technical debt. So what you'll be doing is using models to create or to configure agents to complete various tasks. You'll be using models to configure agents to complete tasks along a process or workflow, so agent orchestration. And as you build out that architecture, you do run the risk of one of those models being retired and the weakest link in the chain bringing the whole edifice down. So consider that as you build out your agent architectures.